Hi, my name is Dr. Natalie Lopez. For this week's Stretch of the Week, we're going to be doing some stuff to kind of open up the side of our ribs and our low back together. This is just kind of like a modified child's pose. So if you've done yoga before, this is going to be something familiar, but with a twist. So I like kind of starting in this tabletop position, hands under my shoulders, and then I'm going to reach one hand underneath and slowly keep this as an anchor. Like I want this to be nice and solid and firm on the floor, and then I'm going to slowly twist and reach back until I feel a nice stretch along my rib cage. So I'll show you from this way. So I'm bringing that arm, I'm anchoring it, and then I'm shifting back as far as I feel comfortable going back. So you can kind of have your knees narrower, wider. I'm obviously need to modify a little bit right now, and then I'm going to add a nice little twist to open up. Take a couple breaths here. Good. And so let's do that again. Key thing, sometimes people will shift and then put their arm. You're not going to feel as much of a stretch in the rib cage. You really need to anchor your arm down and then twist and shift back. That way you're getting a little more assistance in kind of tugging that arm and rib cage. And you can also play around with it. You can have it here and then shift back, or even a little lower or higher up here and shifting back until you feel a stretch along those ribs. So that's kind of a quick and easy stretch to get into the rib cage, opening things up. Honestly, we could all benefit from it. Our rib cage ends up holding most of our major organs, to be honest. So this is an area with our ribs, our spine, that generally does hold a lot of tension. So we do need some sort of like mobility movement, ideally every day, but at least a few times a week, just to open up this area and get a little more movement. So give that a try and see how it goes.